Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who craves smoother skin and a healthy glow, then stick around because today we're talking about a product that might just be the exfoliator of your dreams. We're diving into the Skin Health Exfoliating Polish, 2.3 ounces of skincare magic that promises to reveal smoother, more radiant skin. If you've been searching for an exfoliator that really delivers on its claims, you might want to hear what I've got to say about this one. First, let's break down exactly what you're dealing with here. This exfoliating polish, formerly known as Offects Exfoliating Polish, uses magnesium crystals as its exfoliating agent. Magnesium crystals are known for their ability to gently slough off dead skin cells while also being kind to the skin's surface. So right off the bat, this isn't just about a scrub. It's about giving your skin a little more love than most harsh scrubs might. The formula promises to give you instantly smoother skin with a radiant, healthy glow while preventing clogged pores. So it's a win for anyone who struggles with texture and breakouts. Now, let's get into my real-world testing. I've been using this exfoliator for about 2 weeks, and I have to say, it's definitely not like the scrubs you typically find in drugstores. The texture is smooth and a bit creamy, with the magnesium crystals doing all the heavy lifting. It's not overly abrasive, which is a huge plus if you have sensitive skin or tend to go too hard with scrubs. I used it twice a week, massaging it gently onto damp skin, and instantly it felt like my skin had been polished. It didn't leave me feeling stripped or irritated, just soft, glowing, and smooth. In terms of practical use, I didn't encounter any issues. The product spread easily, and the amount needed was just right. No overdoing it required. I really liked how it didn't leave a greasy residue after rinsing off. My skin felt clean and prepped for whatever I applied afterward, whether it was a serum or moisturizer. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this exfoliator delivers exactly what it promises: a smoother skin texture with no irritation. The magnesium crystals work well to remove dead skin without causing micro tears, which can often happen with more aggressive exfoliators. It's also pretty versatile. It can work for most skin types, even those with a bit of sensitivity, which is not something you get with every exfoliant out there. But of course, no product is perfect. While it's gentle, I think it could still be a little more hydrating. After using it, I definitely needed to apply moisturizer immediately to keep my skin feeling balanced. If you have dry skin, it might not be enough to keep that moisture locked in by itself. Now, value for money. Skin Health is a luxury skincare brand, and it shows in the price point. This isn't the most affordable exfoliator out there, but considering how little you need to use each time, I'd say it's worth it for people looking for a high-performance product. It's also a treatment product, so if you're invested in skin health, this will definitely fit into your routine. That being said, there are some good budget-friendly alternatives, especially if you're just looking for basic exfoliation. Comparing it to others in the market, you're getting a unique experience here with the magnesium crystals. Many exfoliators focus on more common physical or chemical exfoliants, but magnesium's gentle approach makes this product stand out. It's definitely one of those that I feel will be more appealing to those with a good skincare budget who want that professional level glow. When it comes to build quality, I do appreciate the sturdy packaging. It feels high-end and doesn't look like it'll break down quickly. As for longevity, the 2.3 ounce tube should last you a good while, as a little bit of the product goes a long way. So even though the price is higher than most, you won't be repurchasing it every month. On customer support, I didn't need to interact with Skin Health directly, but from what I've read, they tend to have solid customer service for any issues or queries. Their reputation in the skincare world is strong, which always makes me feel confident purchasing from them. To sum it up, the Skin Health Exfoliating Polish lives up to the hype, offering gentle yet effective exfoliation. It works well for a range of skin types and delivers noticeable improvements in skin texture and radiance. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're committed to maintaining smooth and clear skin, this product is worth considering. If you're looking for an exfoliator that's on the gentler side but still effective, this could be a great addition to your skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase the Zoe Skin Health Exfoliating Polish in the description or comments below. If you've tried it, drop a comment and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.